Okay, let's take a look at the coordinate plane or coordinate grid. And the first thing we need to know is this axis is what direction? It is horizontal. And the horizontal axis is called the x-axis. And the other axis, which is, what do we call this direction? That is vertical. That one is the y-axis. So for these points, just like the alphabet, x is first and y is after x. So they've done a for you, over 1, up 7. B, what do we have for B? It would be 6 and 6, so that's easy. 6 here, and then up 6, and we can label that point B. C is going to be 10 and 1. So I'll go over to 10 first, and then up on the y-axis, just 1. Label that C. And I think the rest of them, we'll do one more. How about D? And D is over 4 on the x-axis, and then up 3, and there you have D. So the rest of those you should be able to do on your own, pretty simple. And then now we can look at the next part, part 2, where we need to just list the coordinates or the numbered pair for each letter on the grid. So they did the first two for you, and here's K, and K is 4 on the x-axis and 8 on the y-axis. Pretty simple. L looks like it's 7 and 7. And I think you can probably just cruise through the rest of those on your own. And finally, we're going to finish this one with some multiplication. And I'd like you to do 2 of these with the partial products method. So I'll demo that for a couple of them. I'll do number 4 here. And 4 is 304 times 5. So I'll do 5 times 300 first, which is 1,500. And you know what? You don't have to do 5 times 0 tens because it's 0. You can just skip that. So 5 times 4 is 20. There's your answer, 1,520. And how about number 5? Let's do that one too. 52 times 89. And to get my partial products neatly, I could even do the window method. So I'm going to go 50 and 2, and this is going to be 80 and 9. And 80 times 50 will be 4,000. And 80 times 2 will be 160. And 9 times 50 will give me 450, and 9 times 2 gives me 18. I can also just write those neatly so that I don't make any mistakes when I'm adding. And that's going to give me that as an answer. And I forgot to do an estimate, as we always do, but even you can do an estimate when you're done. So I'm thinking, just to check your answer, my estimate is going to be 50 times 90, so it's going to be somewhere close to 4,500, right? 50 times 90, so I'm safe here. This one is 300 times 5, so my estimate's going to be somewhere close to 15 or 1,500, and you can see I'm good there. So even if you forget to do an estimate beforehand, you can do it afterwards just to make sure your answer makes sense. And that's it for today. And this is StudyLink 6.8 Coordinate Grids. And thank you for watching, and have a great day or evening. Bye.